Hey guys, good morning. So today is another day of, it's not doing nothing, it's just a new lifestyle we're all living, okay? So everything is proceeding as usual for the most part because I do work from home. So I am still working and getting things done. I kind of talked about this a little bit in my previous video. But today I'm just gonna walk you guys through some of the things I'm doing today. I did get a ton of things in the mail yesterday. I'm gonna be doing another fashion haul. I still have a Nasty Gal one to film, which hopefully will be up before this video. I'm planning on getting that video up as soon as possible because whenever I get fashion pieces in from really popular sites like Nasty Gal or Princess Polly or Forever, places like that, pieces sell out so quickly, and I always get really frustrated when influencers post fashion things and they're sold out and it's not their fault, you know what I mean? It's just, it's in high demand and people like certain styles and brands and stuff like that. So I'm trying to do my best to get the pieces out as soon as possible, or sorry, get the videos out as soon as I receive the pieces. But obviously it has to suit the schedule because there are other things. I usually work 5 days a week, sometimes 6, but now because of everything going on and childcare has changed, my daughter's school obviously is still closed and it seems like it's going to be closed for a really long time. I'm doing my best to kind of keep everything going. Usually when Elia's here, I will make sure that I still try to get some work done, whether if it's just getting back to emails or getting some social posts up, but really the YouTube stuff kind of, the filming stuff sort of stops because that really does take a lot of time, and editing obviously takes hours. Filming can sometimes take a while too, and just the prep to do all of that. So I definitely try to do filming stuff when she's at her dad's. That way I can have full undivided attention when she's here. And obviously because of the childcare and her school being closed, I am now trying to do some homeschooling at home, and I've been enjoying it. I've been posting some stuff on stories whenever I do work with her, but basically one of the things that we did was we got this really big preschool workbook that has basically the curriculum of what a lot of preschools are doing, and it's obviously not a strategic thing, but that's where I come into place as the teacher right now, where I'm just creating templates, and her school is still emailing us and our teacher emails us and just gives us ideas. So I kind of create some sort of template for her just to kind of stay on, because I think it's really important to just keep their minds moving. Being inside can get very stagnant and it gets kind of bleh. And I completely understand that not everyone has the patience to do so, and I know a lot of people are also have kids that are here at home all the time and now have to work at home all the time, and I know situations are pretty bad right now. So I also have been having this horrible stomach ache, you guys. It's just in a lot of pain, and I don't really know what has happened. The only thing that's changed is I took this zinc pill yesterday because I was told that zinc will really help fight off this thing along with vitamin C, and we got some zinc in from somebody and I took it. I was in so much pain yesterday. I could not move. My sister had to get me tea and it was nuts. Was hoping that I'll go to bed and tomorrow will be a restart for my body and I'll be fine. Woke up, felt that pain still in my stomach. So I don't know what's going on, but I did look up that apparently, and they say if you take over 40 milligrams, it's considered a larger dose, and it could really affect people's stomachs. It could either make people have a temperature, it can make people have a really upset stomach. I was just reading all these things and I was this totally is that. So if you guys have any information about zinc or how it can affect people, let me know. I feel really stupid that I should have been able to be aware of that, but I read the back of the thing, and I maybe should have called a doctor before I took it or something. I don't know, but either way, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna make some coffee, I'm gonna start hanging stuff up. The other thing I might do later today, I I don't know. I might actually wait till tomorrow. I have been needing to dye my hair for a while. The last time I dyed my hair was about 6 months ago. So I'm planning on redoing it now just because I'm like running out of things to do, you guys. And honestly, I'm not going to be going to a salon for a really long time. What I really do need, you guys, though, is a freaking trim. This is unacceptable. I'm pretty sure I was told by a hairdresser when your hair is light, you can see your split ends really well. So like because they're lighter on the ends, they're more noticeable. But if you dye your hair dark, all one color, like I've been doing, it kind of camouflages the breakage a little bit. Stomach hurts. Okay, I'm gonna take a second just to breathe, and then I will get up in a minute and do some things. My stomach is really bugging me. By the way, if you hear children laughing and playing, it's because there's kids outside playing right now. I don't really love getting work done on my bed because it's very intriguing right now to just stay here and not move. But honestly, my stomach is really bugging me, and I don't know if you guys could see while I was like making the bed and getting up and moving. My stomach was really starting to bug me, so I just like needed to lay down for a second. So just working from my bed right now is what I need to do. I'm just currently getting some emails done, and I was listening to The View, which I'm gonna look up some home remedies right now. I'm gonna finish getting back to these people and then probably start hanging and steaming a bunch of clothes that I just got in. So yeah, so I looked online to see what it could be. The only thing I changed in my diet yesterday was this. It did say on the internet that if you are getting an upset stomach from it, to drink milk. So I don't have any cow's milk. Ow, 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 ow. What's wrong with you? I only have oats milk from Trader Joe's, so I'm just gonna drink a glass of this. I wish I had regular milk because I feel like that would help, but I don't. So I'm gonna drink some of this and see if it helps. So apparently this is supposed to help like line your stomach, and that way the zinc isn't being absorbed and hurting your stomach. This tastes so good. Have you actually tried this?
Yeah.
It's so good. Like if you drank it,
oh no,
it's so good. It kind of reminds me of soybean milk, but like not as sweet, but it's super yummy. Yeah, you should try it. I'll give you a glass. What's this? Did you use this yesterday?
You drink your tea out of there.
Oh yeah, that's right. Here, try it.
I don't want that much.
Okay, I'll drink it if you don't drink all of it, but just try it. It's so good. Right? I told you.
I'd eat cereal out of this.
Right? It tastes a little bit like soybean milk. Doesn't it?
A little bit.
Like the one in Singapore? Are you gonna finish it?
Oh, you're videotaping?
No. I was just telling them that we took this yesterday and that's what hurt my stomach. Look what I eat.
All of them.
They're almost gone.
Yeah. I'll order more.
It's just so loud in here. I can't do anything. Are you going to get out of here? Where are you going?
I have to finish my work.
Oh, okay.
Isn't this such a cute outfit?
No. so not cute. What are those? The jeans are cute, the shirt's cute. I'm questioning the clip, but that, I mean, it's fine. It's fine. So the Liquid IV, super good. I've like heard about it, listened to tons of podcasts. I know it's like sponsored in a lot of podcasts. I'm not sponsored by them. So I actually just got these in like, I wanna say maybe like 2 weeks ago. And I really didn't like the passion fruit or the berry flavor, but this one is super good. It tastes like a Gatorade, like a lemon lime Gatorade. So get the lemon lime one, it's the best. I honestly am one of those people that don't drink enough water. I just don't. I can't, like, as much as I have that big thermos thing, I just can't drink it. I don't know what it is. I think it just doesn't taste that great unless it's like super, super ice cold. It's not something I'm like having lunch and drinking my like gallon of water. I'm not doing that. So this makes it tastier, which I like, honestly. So if you ever have like a headache or you're feeling dizzy or you're hungover, you guys can drink one of these and it equals drinking 3 bottles of water. So it's really freaking good and it helps. I'm pretty sure I have like a code, so I'll link that below. And then their other really good product is the Energy Multiplier. This one tastes really good as well. It's lemon ginger, but it tastes kind of like an Arnold Palmer-ish. Just tastes really good and it gives you so much energy. Like, you'd be surprised that a little thing can give you this much energy. So I really like these. We're almost out of them. Like 6 left in here. This one, my sister's drinking these like crazy because she doesn't like drinking water at all. There's 16 in here and we officially have 2, 4, 6 left. So we've had 10 of them. Staying hydrated is really important to fight this fucking coronavirus thing because apparently our first line of defense is our membrane, like our skin and our membrane. And if it's dehydrated, it can like penetrate it faster. Whereas if we're hydrated, it like plumps up the membrane and it's harder for this bacteria to get to us. So hydrate. Oh, my sister just used this one. And of course she didn't throw it away. No, she never puts anything away. Here we go. So I'm gonna color my hair. I have the one, I use Positano Black in 3NNA. So this is the color I used the last time I colored my hair. And I basically will show you guys. My hair is really dirty. I need to wash it either tonight or tomorrow. And I figured tonight would be a perfect time. But as you can see, the blonde is, or not the blonde, the bleach is still living in my hair. I usually color my hair myself because I just use, I just do one color. I used to do, you know, balayage and put highlights and stuff in my hair. But I don't know, as I've gotten older, I just kind of like the simplicity of doing something really easy and natural looking. So I'm just gonna fast forward throughout this entire process. This is the before, and we're gonna go ahead and color my hair. If you want to see a more in-depth version of me talking to you guys about what I'm doing, I used this exact same kit about 6 months ago, and I'm excited. I love like getting freshly dyed hair. I like it. So let's go ahead and get started. I just got out of the shower. My skin looks crazy. My hair feels, even though it's still wet, like I could still feel that it's really, really conditioned and super soft and luscious. So I'm excited to dry my hair out and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. I'll be back when my hair is done. Hey guys, hold on. My phone's in my butt. Oh my god, excuse me. I'm actually about to film a haul, but I wanted to quickly jump on here and show you guys my hair because the last clip you saw, I was washing it, or I was about to dry it, and this is how my hair turned out. So I'm really happy with it. It doesn't feel that big of a difference because maybe I'm just so used to it, but I just love my hair dark. This is what my hair naturally looks like. I think it might be a shade darker than my natural hair color, but I'm okay with that because I still, like I said, I always talk about the bleach in my ends, but that's really what I'm focusing on covering up. One whole color, I think it's just very timeless, it's chic, I just like it, easy to keep up with. I'm just really happy with how like rich and shiny my hair looks. It just, I don't know, I have no extensions in either. I just feel better, and I also feel like my ends don't look as horrible, even though they kind of, I mean, they are. I mean, it's hard to deny. Like, yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm about to go film my haul, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.